just to summarize the previous video, suppose you're given a cuboid. This is a cuboid here. A cube is where all the sides are equal. So this is like a die. All these sides are equal, of equal length. The height, the width, the depth, they're all equal. That's a cube. But this thing here, it's you can make it longer, so it's no longer a cube, it's a cuboid. Okay, so the formula for the volume of the cuboid. Well, remember in the previous video, to work out the volume of something, you got to work out the area of this thing here. Well, the area is A times B. Okay, you get the height and then you times this. That will give you the area, and then you drag it all the way across. So then you would times C. Well, that's a better way of writing that. A times B times C. So the volume is the volume for the cuboid is A, B, C. So get A times B and then times C. So the volume, the formula for the volume is given by this. Okay. Now for a cylinder, well, again, work out the area of cross section. Well, just work out this area here, which is like a circle, isn't it? The area of the circle, and then drag it all the way down here. So V for the cylinder would be well, if you look at to work out the area of this is pi. Area of a circle is pi r squared. So pi r squared is really the area of this thing here. Now times it by this length here, which is h. So pi r squared will give us the area of this bit here, and then we drag it all the way down here. So that means we would times it by h. So the formula for the volume of a cylinder is given by this. Okay, so that's this, and the formula for the volume of a cuboid is given by this here. Okay. Another thing, if you have something like the area of a rectangle, okay, let's say this is 3 centimeters and this is 7 centimeters. Well, the area, to work out the area of this rectangle, you would get the height and then you times by this length here. So you get this, and then you would drag it all the way across. So it's 21. So the area is 21. But when we talk about the area of something, we always use centimeters squared, because if you look at this, it's saying this times this. It's like you can imagine us, and then it becomes centimeters squared. Now, if you look at the cuboid, you've already got the area here, which is centimeters squared, and then you would times another dimension if you want. You would times it by this length here. Well, this length here is blah 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 centimeters again. So here you've got centimeters squared times centimeters here. So here you've got centimeters squared times centimeters again. So that would be centimeters cubed. So the volume is given by centimeters cubed. So every time you talk about volume, you normally use something like you could use centimeters cubed or meters cubed. Because all right, now we're working in centimeters. So suppose I were to say something like this: 3 meters, and then this is 7 meters here. Well, the area would be 21 meters squared. This is so that other people, when they look at 21 what? 21 elephants, giraffes, or what? Well, here, if they look at this and they can see, oh, it's meters squared, that means they're talking about an area of something. And the length here is in meters, not in centimeters. Now, if you times it by another, let's say 10 meters, then you've got meters squared here, and then you times by meters again, so that would be meters cubed. So the volume is meters cubed. If you work in meters here, try not to use centimeters here, because it's better to use all of the same units. So here it's better to use meters, or if you have centimeters here, then use centimeters over here. If you have something like this, let's say 3, 7, if you have kilometers, let's say you're buying a farm, you might work in kilometers, because it's silly working in centimeters when you're talking about something like a farm. It's too big. So use kilometers. So here, this here times this here would be kilometers squared. That would be the area. And if you want a volume or something, not many people use kilometers cubed, but theoretically you could. My point is that if you have meters here, and then you times by another meter, then you would have meters cubed, which is a unit of volume. So when you're talking about volume or something, you have to tell people the unit that you're working in. So here it's meters cubed. Okay.